Revolve command in AutoCAD 3D. If you go to Home tab, click here, you will get it Revolve. Or if you go to the Solid, here also you will get it Revolve. Select Revolve. Revolve command, you can revolve any objects and you can convert it to 3D objects. Just go to Revolve and I select these sketches. Before selecting these sketches, you need to check your sketch is closed or not. If it is not closed, you cannot convert it to solid revolve. I select this object, enter, and here you can see few options X, Y, Z. If you select Y, you will get it revolve along with the direction. I just make it 270 degree, enter, and I go to realistic. Now you can see it is created along with this Y direction. It is revolve. I just go to Control Z. See this, only these sketches just revolve and created like this. Control Z. Go to revolve again. Select this object. Enter. You can make revolve any direction, X, Y, Z direction. Now I select X axis, and where you need to finish you can just click or you can give the degree. I just make it 45, enter. Now I go to realistic, you can see the revolve object. Based on this X axis is made revolve. Go to Control Z, go to the revolve, and here you can make your own line. I just make a small slanting line like this, and like this line I made. Depends on this line also you can make revolve. I just go to the revolve, select the object, enter. Here you have option to select object. Select this object, and depends on the object it will revolve. I just make it 180 degree, enter. Now I go to realistic, you can see the revolution. I just go to Control Z again. You can make revolve in this line also. I just go to the revolve and select this object, enter. You can select the first point and the next point. If you given 360 degree, simply enter. Now it is revolve. Now you can see it is revolve based on our selection axis. Control Z. I go to revolve again, select the object, enter, specify the first point and the next point. Now you can see it is revolved like this. If I given the value 360 degree, simply enter, it is revolved like this. Go to the realistic, you can see what we revolve. So simple object, we can revolve any direction. If you want to revolve this side also, you can revolve like this. I just go to the revolve, select this one, enter, click the first point and the next point. Now you can see it is revolved like this. I just make it 360 degrees, simply enter. Now it is revolved like this. Go to the realistic, now it is coming like this. So depends on the selection. Simple 2D objects you can create using Revolve 3D model very easily, and various method and various geometry you can create various 3D models.